Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to pin someone on Snapchat. If you're wondering how to pin people on Snapchat Android, you're in the right place. Now, how to do that? Let me show you. The first thing to do is to launch your Snapchat application. On the top left corner, kind of click the human icon. Now you can see your friends and your conversation here. Most of the Snapchat users, they have their pin symbol right up here. But don't worry because I'm going to show you how to get that feature. Click the profile icon again and then go to your settings. Once you're in your settings, scroll down and under support, you can probably see I need help, which is right here. Click I need help here. Snapchat will ask you, what can we help you with? All you have to do is to type keyword like pin. Now scroll down and look for how to pin a conversation. Click and they will give you an instruction on how to pin a conversation on the chat screen. So all you have to do is to read this and follow this one. Now, once you're done with this, you can exit the application and you can go back to your profile or go back to your chat box. Now, it's very easy to pin a conversation. All you have to do is to long press a name here. For example, Shadow. I'm going to pin my friend Shadow. So she will be the first person on my list. So long press, click chat settings. After that, tap pin conversation. So once I click pin conversation, you can see now that I pinned someone on Snapchat. You can add and pin someone again. For example, Abes. I wanted to pin Abes on Snapchat, so I just do the same method. As easy as that. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.